And I am going to tell the President of the United States, because that is who I'm in contact with.
On March 16th, 2023, authorities were summoned to a local grocery store in response to a suspected shoplifting incident involving a woman.
It is an emergency.
You're under arrest for trespass.
No.
You're under arrest for trespass.
I'm not under arrest.
Stop.
I'm not under arrest. I'm not under arrest.
Resist.
I'm not under.
Upon arriving at the store, the police officers initiated a search for the woman suspected of shoplifting. During the search, they discovered that the female had concealed herself in the restroom, which likely contributed to the delay in locating her.
Ladies' room.
Okay.
She's already taken products into the restroom.
Into the restroom? Okay.
She was kind of keeping that angle. She was probably
Okay. You want to...
Yep, Greg's back here too.
All right. And she's been trespassed before?
Oh, several times.
Do you have any paperwork?
Do you still have that picture? We don't have paperwork from you guys.
I'm sorry, you said...
Stealing
You said what? You have
we
what?
do not have paperwork from you guys. She always bails out of here.
Have you guys told her
Yes.
not to come back? Okay.
Yep,
I'll need a statement in reference to that, so... I'll take this back.
Okay.
I'm probably going to wait for my partner to get here unless she comes out of the bathroom.
Oh no, she'll be in there for a while. She took
Okay.
food in there.
Okay. How's it going?
Yeah, so we have this lady, she just walked in. We trespassed her twice verbally.
Okay. Within how long?
It was probably 2 months ago.
2 months,
This
okay.
is older than that, but I recognized her.
Yeah.
I verbally trespassed her. She was not happy about it.
Okay, so you were the one who verbally trespassed her previously?
Yeah, most
Okay.
recently, about, I'd say 2 months ago.
Okay, I'm going to wait for my partner to get here unless she comes out, so I'll hang out with you. She's coming from the west side, my partner.
Oh, gotcha. 10, 15 then.
What? Maybe, yeah. She was actually at the car wash, and just so you know, I'm on my body cameras on. So
Okay, good.
so I'll hang out in case she comes out.
Yeah.
They said that she took food in there too.
Yeah, she took some bakery items. She had stuff in her hands. I wanted to. She walked into the bathroom with
Okay.
them.
Okay. So ultimately, I'll get a statement from you since you're the one who verbally trespassed her, and if it turns out that the items are gone or whatnot, I'll do it for burglary if you're okay with that. Cool. Okay.
When the police officers approached her, the woman started crying and screaming loudly, appearing to lose control of her emotions.
Hi there, Randy Wilson, Lakeview Police Department. You're being detained right now. You're not free to leave.
Why?
Can you come here, please?
No.
Don't go out that door.
It is an emergency.
You're under arrest for trespass.
No.
You're under
No,
arrest
I'm
for
not.
trespass.
I'm not under arrest.
Stop.
I'm not under arrest. I'm not
Do
under
not
arrest.
resist.
I'm not under
Do
arrest.
not resist
I'm not
me.
under arrest. I'm not under
Sorry, I'm
arrest.
fighting one. Get down.
I'm not under
Down on the
arrest.
ground. I'm not going to use force on you. You're under arrest for resisting arrest now. Stay here. Stay on the ground. Stay on the ground. Stay on the ground.
No.
Do not fight me. Do not fight me. Stay on the ground. Yes, you are.
I'm not.
Stay on the
I'm
ground.
royalty. They said I could have anything
Okay.
free. They said I could.
Stay on the
I'm not
ground.
under arrest.
Stay on the ground.
I'm not under arrest.
Stay on the ground.
I am not under
Calm
arrest.
down. Stay on the
I'm not
ground.
under arrest.
The woman continued assaulting the officers and pleaded for help, prompting them to take immediate action to place her under custody. However, during the arrest, she escalated the situation, making it more difficult for everyone involved.
I'm not
Do not
supposed to go
resist.
to
Do not
jail.
fight. Do not resist.
I'm
Do
not
not fight.
supposed to go to jail.
Okay, we'll talk about that.
Leave
Calm
me
down.
alone.
Calm down.
No.
Yes, calm down.
No. Leave me
Don't fight me.
alone.
Calm down.
Leave me alone.
Calm down. Stay on the
You
ground.
can't arrest me.
What's your name?
None of your business.
Okay.
Get off of me.
Nope.
How do you not trespass? You're a liar. You're going against your job.
Stay on the ground.
No, he's a liar. He's a liar. Mr. President. He's a liar. Get off of me.
Go ahead, Randy.
Get off of me.
We need to get her on her.
Get off of me. Get off of me. Get off of me.
Bite. Don't bite.
I hate you.
Stop.
I'm not supposed to be in
The woman continuously threatened the officers by claiming she would contact the president of the USA regarding their actions.
You want to go on their side?
They gave me the universe.
Let's keep her. Let's keep her here.
The president of the United States gave me permission, and it's on the site. It's on the website. Ow! You're sitting on my ankles.
Just take a breath.
No, he's hurting my ankle. And you don't even look. This is why you guys are a disgrace. And I am going to tell the President of the United States. Because that is who I'm in contact with.
You're being
You.
audio and video recorded.
You. They're liars. And I had permission from the President of the United States. And these people who are harassing me and have been stalking me are the reason that you're here. And the reason I've been getting kicked out of everywhere. I'm not lying. No. Stop hurting my foot. You are being rude.
The woman's erratic behavior stemmed from her desire to avoid facing any charges, but the officers handled the situation tactfully and did not release her.
Right now, you're being hypnotized. There's red in the air. And I didn't do this to myself. I'm not a liar, and I'm not mean. Ow! Ow! You just did that on purpose. You don't do that to me. I'm not mean. I'm a terrorist. I'm not mean. Please be gentle. No, I don't want to. I wasn't supposed to go to jail at all. That's what the President of the United States said. I didn't do anything wrong. I really did not do anything wrong. I have white coat syndrome. I have white coat syndrome. They're in the COVID filings with it. And Deputy Corbin Johnson. They think I'm trying to do something to get them over the line. I didn't do this, and it doesn't work.
After being escorted to the police vehicle, the officers conducted a brief interview with the store manager to gather more information. It was revealed that the woman had concealed items, leading to suspicions of shoplifting.
Yeah.
That's what happened.
Let's put her in yours.
No. I'm not supposed to go to jail. I'm not. The President of the United States said that I wouldn't have to go to jail for the rest of my life because of what I did for this place. Please.
Once we get her feet in, I'll go around.
Oh. Please. It's not a lie. They just said a couple things and then out. And then it went again. Oh, my leg. Come on.
So this was found in her bag?
Yeah, the ice cream's ours.
Okay.
I could scan the other ones and tell them that they're ours.
Yeah, if you want to, let's do that.
Yeah. But I definitely know she picked up that. She put a couple things back, but then she ran back in. She was kind of all over the
So she
store.
definitely had the ice cream
In her hand,
in her hand, and that was found in her bag, I believe.
Yeah.
So
Trespass from here, too.
she was verbally trespassed by
Twice.
Greg a couple of months ago. So she's been trespassed verbally twice, but never by us. But that doesn't matter.
Nope.
He can positively identify her
Statement of that.
as the person. He already did on body camera. So,
Yeah.
obviously the person that came out was the person we were talking about,
Yep.
the flyer that you showed me.
Yep.
And you guys are willing to pursue charges?
Yep.
Okay. And can you just
hers?
so the ice cream is not for sure. He
Ice
doesn't-
cream, no, ice cream definitely. I know that's ours.
That's
I'm not sure about the other ones.
Okay. So we're going to get her going. Do we want to load any of it with her, or are we assuming this is all?
Do you just want the ice cream back, and if the other
Yeah.
stuff? Okay, he'll take the ice cream.
The woman was transported to the police station for further investigation into the suspected shoplifting incident. The woman was charged with multiple offenses, including shoplifting, assaulting, and resisting arrest due to her actions during the incident at the store. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you all liked it. Please subscribe, like, and share our videos.